besides this pole, boys. It's gonna be the next thing. Hey guys. Hope you guys can see me. So guys, in today's episode, guys, we just went fishing. We're back. Give you a little treat today, how I throw net, or how to throw net. Right here, first thing you need is a net. I have an 8-footer, purple. Nice net. You guys seen this net in action many times already. I'm just learning how to throw net, but the main thing that you need before you even start throwing or even getting a net is tubbies. I have the sport ones, all dirty. Mine has the spike version inside. Really good. You gotta use those. Those like cover your foot, protect your foot while you're on the reef, and most of all, throwing net is a technique art. So you guys gotta be strong, fit, or just know how to do it. Because it takes a lot of balance out there to throw this net out on the rocks, guys. Especially how heavy it gets too. Especially if the net gets wet, it gets real heavy. Especially if there's lots of fish in it, it gets extra heavy. And walking the reef line gets tiring. So we're gonna go outside, guys. Do a little throw netting. Teach you guys maybe some setup. And yeah. So in this episode, guys, we're going back to my dad's. And I'm gonna teach you guys the ancient way of throwing net. I know a lot of people probably say, oh, it's a tradition, you don't want it, but the tradition is dying big time. Even though my friend's selling a lot of nets and stuff, and we're getting it out there so everybody can start throwing, a lot of people still don't know how. I remember I watched this video on YouTube of this old guy that was teaching how to throw nets, and he couldn't have kids or anything, so he couldn't pass it on. So I get the opportunity to pass it on to everybody, so you guys learn how to throw the Hawaiian ancient net, and not the cast nets I see everybody throwing nowadays. This one you have to get in the water, you have to be fit. Sometimes the nets are heavy, especially when there's fish in it, the water is rough. You gotta have, you know what I mean, adrenaline flowing through your body already. But let's get right into it. Teaching you guys how to throw a net, the setups, and more videos to come. Ready, guys? Today's episode, everybody gonna hate us, learning how to throw the Hawaiian net. First thing, check out your net. Make sure all the weights are even. Okay, now comes the technique part. Here, the punalni. Slide down, depends how tall you are. Like this. Turn your hand over. On top. On top. Down to your waist. Switch it over. Just like that. There. Now you stick all this in one hand like that. See how it is set up? Here. Over your hand a couple of times. Over your elbow or your shoulder you can go. See, lots of guys go over, see? And now walking around so you can see. Now you can start to see the net's opening into a circle. Depends how much you want over here. This part into the other hand. Come on this side. Slide right here. Slide your hand under and grab like that. See how there's a circle underneath now? Slide down. Depends how tall you are. Like this. Turn your hand over. On top. On top. down to your waist. Switch it over. Just like that. There. Now you stick all this in one hand like that. See how it is set up? Here. Overhand couple times. Over your elbow. Or your shoulder you can go. See that's good over see. And now walk around see. I can start to see the net's opening into a circle. Depends how much you want over here. This part into the other hand. Come on this side. Slide right here. Slide your hand under and grab like that. See how there's a circle underneath now? What you want to do is throw out, swing, pull in. Throw out, swing, pull in. We'll do it in slow motion later. And then you open it up. Now when you grab it, you always grab it in the middle. Just like that. Pull it up. So it's a circle. Okay, again in fast motion. Yeah. See? Down. Over. A circle. Elbow. Heavy. You guys have muscles for this. Gotta be on Hawaiian. See how I start to make the circle over? Up into the hand. Under. And there it is. That's how you swing it. You want to swing it
from out,
low and down. See that? Okay, now let's see if my brother can do it.
I'm bad. Come on.
Then you guys can see if anyone else can do it, then you guys can do it. Because you guys know I've been training with the masters. And I can do it better. See? Switch it over. Put it like that. Over your...
It's not too short.
You learn to get it. Right, that's enough. Under your elbow. Start to make the circle. As you guys can see, a circle. That's the part you guys might have a problem with, putting it up here. You get close up into the hand. There it is. And slide your hand underneath. And that's how it's done.
I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.
There's so many things that I keep in my mind, like a past. There's a reason why all the emotions I built up inside you.
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. From my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it.